Today we're going to be showing you how to use a microscope properly. Step 1 is to make sure that you have a clear space on your bench top. Step 2 is to properly get out the microscope by holding it with 2 hands, like so. Step 3 is to get the cord out of the cabinet and plug it in, and make sure that none of the pieces are dangling over the edge. Now that your microscope is plugged in, you want to have the revolving nose piece to power level 4, and you want your coarse adjustment knob to be all the way down. First, I'll label the microscope. This right here is the ocular eyepiece. These are some objectives, and now this objective is in viewing position. This is the stage. These are the stage clips to hold the specimen in place. This right here is the arm. This is the base. And here's the coarse adjustment knob and the fine adjustment knob. These are the stage adjustment knobs. Down here is the diaphragm. This would be the light adjustment knob, and back here is the power. Now I will be showing you how to position a slide correctly on the microscope. First, you want to hold back the stage clips and place your slide in like so. Then you're going to use your stage adjustment knobs and position it just like this. First thing you want to do to start using your microscope is turn the power on. Then you're going to turn the light all the way up and make sure the diaphragm is all the way open. To properly focus the slide to 40 times magnification, you want to make sure the coarse adjustment knob is all the way down, and you want to look through the ocular eyepiece to make sure that you're making your adjustments properly. So first, you're going to make sure that the light dial is all the way up, and you're going to slowly start turning the coarse adjustment knob until you start to see something come into focus.
On the magnification, you look at the objective that's in viewing position. This one is 4, and then you multiply it by the magnification of the ocular eyepiece, which is 10. So this specimen would be viewed at 40 times its original state. To view the specimen at 100 times magnification, you don't have to put the stage all the way back down. Just turn the objectives to the 10, so you're viewing it at 100 times magnification. Then instead of using the coarse adjustment knob, use the fine adjustment knob until the specimen comes into focus. Same for viewing it as 400. Just turn the objectives to the 40 and then look through and use the fine adjustment knobs until it comes into focus. If you aren't able to see the specimen at 100 times magnification or 400 times, just rotate it back to the 40 times magnification and start again from there, bringing it into view. To view the specimen at 1,000 times magnified, you need to use oil immersion. To do oil immersion, turn the objectives halfway between the 100 and the 40. Then add a drop of oil right on top of the specimen. Then just turn it all the way, and the objective should be touching the slide. And then just use your fine adjustment knob until the specimen comes into focus. To start to prepare your microscope to be put away, move the objectives to the lowest magnification, which is the 4. Turn your coarse adjustment knob all the way down, so the stage will be down. Remove the slide and turn the light switch all the way to its lowest setting, so it's off. Next, turn your microscope off, then get an optical lens wipe and wipe off all the objectives lens. Next, unplug the microscope and then unplug it from the side. Then you're going to want to put the microscope back away with one hand on the arm and one hand on the base. Next, you're going to want to wrap up the cord, but not around the microscope. And then put it away.
That's how to properly use and put away your microscope. Thank you for watching.